Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to clip with NVIDIA Overlay in your Windows 11 PC. Now the first thing I want you to do is once you launch the NVIDIA app, the left hand panel, come here, click on settings, and then make sure you have NVIDIA Overlay enabled. And after you do that, just press Alt plus Z on your keyboard to open the overlay. And from here, the first thing I want you to do is select Instant Replay, okay? And then click on this gear cog to configure your video capture. And now from here, you can adjust the settings for your instant replay length. So you can record up to 20 minutes, and we can reduce this to, let's say, 2 minutes. It's completely up to you. And obviously you can increase and decrease this as you want. And then you can come here to output format, and you can change the quality to custom, okay? And resolution, okay, is set to in-game. Frame rate, I'd recommend 60 frames per second if you have a low-end PC. But if you have a faster computer, you can turn this up to 120 frames per second for bitrate. I'd recommend you to go ahead and have for, 45 or 40 to 50 for higher-end PCs. And if you're running a slightly slower system, you may want to consider reducing this to around 25, okay? And then what we can do after this, press this back arrow, okay? Come here and toggle on instant replay. You'll see that it's been turned on. Come back here. And what we're going to do is come here, click on highlights, and we need to turn this feature off, okay? Turn off capture highlights. This is not really needed. Toggle this one off, come back here, click on the gear cog to access settings, and then come here and click on audio, and make sure your audio volumes are up, so 100% for your system. For your microphone, you can adjust it as you see fit, choose your correct microphone. And the audio track, you can choose between either single track or separate tracks. Now, depending on how or whether or not you want to edit post-production. I'll just leave it at single track, and then we'll come back here, click on files and disk space. Then you can click on a gallery location and basically choose where you want your videos to be stored. Okay, you can change this easily, but let's go back and now come to shortcut controls, and you can scroll down here, and this is what you want to maybe change. So you just click here and press the other keys on your keyboard to change your shortcuts. Of course, the minutes here would change depending on the settings you had chosen earlier. And then let's go back. And now we will go back again and click on gallery. And this is where you will basically find everything you've recorded, all the gameplay clips. At the moment, we don't have anything right here. But if you do record something, it'll end up in this folder, and that is how you can go ahead and, clip with the NVIDIA app. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.